Hello, hello. My name is Javier Eduardo Llanos Ortiz. I am 26 years old. I am Colombian. I live in Florencia, Caquetá. I currently live with my wife. My son and my other baby on the way. My wife name is Gisela Sarmiento Toledo, and my son name is Samuel Felipe Llanos Sarmiento. I am studying telecommunication engineer degree at SEAT in Florencia. I like feel very good. Today I don't have the work because I have time to spend with my family, to go for a walk, take the kids to the park, occasionally take him to ride a bicycle. What I don't like is being surrounded by people who envy you every time and wish you evil. 2 years ago, I worked in Pereira City of the department of Risaralda. The climate in this city is somewhat hot during the day and cool at night. I have the opportunity to visit various tourist sites, which my wife will have planned to travel to Cartagena to know the sea, to taste typical food of the region, and to visit tourist places. Thank you.